According to the president, some development partners would help out, then take every opportunity to blow their own trumpet.
There is a local proverb in our language here, which says that if a poor man gives you chicken to eat, you will expect you all the time to keep thanking him. Today, tomorrow, you keep thanking. So I was telling them that the Chinese support is not like a formal support.
China has spent $350 million, about 910 billion Uganda shillings, on this project.
It is really a project of great political, economic, and social significance. It will benefit the tourism industry and will attract more foreign direct investment to Uganda.
The president says the problem with Uganda was that the leaders spend a lot of time fighting and stealing money. The president urged Ugandans to promote national unity rather than fighting for individual growth and tribalism. The expressway is a 51.4-kilometer dual carriage which will start at the northern bypass, Busega roundabout in Kampala, ending at Entebbe Airport, but with a spur to Munyonyo. It will comprise a 4-lane dual carriage with a 37.2-kilometer road connecting Kampala northern bypass at Busega with the existing Kampala to Entebbe road at Abaita Babiri. Another 14.13-kilometer road will connect Munyonyo through Lweza with the new Kampala Entebbe Highway.